Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome back to Podcast Deuce, the channel where I do stuff that is so mundane that I want to jump out a window. Not really. YouTube algorithm, don't demonetize me. I just put out a video comparing affordable XLR cables to a more expensive MOGAMI XLR cable and demonstrated the difference between the interference from EMI and RFI. Well, I got a couple of comments from people pointing out that the dummy XLR cable that I am using may have skewed the results and that the results were not real-world situation because of that. I do agree that the results in that video aren't real-world because nobody in their right mind would be running XLR cables over a wireless charger, wall warts for preamps and computers next to power cables. That is an absolute worst-case scenario. So I went ahead and reran the tests with the cables connected to a microphone in my box of doom. The results are pretty much the same, albeit a little less noticeable. So here are the samples from that. So my conclusion from the main channel's video remains consistent. What I hear is the Amazon Basics has more of a broadband interference where it goes almost the entire frequency range. On the HOSA and the Audio-Technica, it is more focused in the higher frequencies. And then on the MOGAMI, I didn't hear anything really noticeable. So again, I do think the MOGAMI is the best at shielding and reducing that. Because it is a quad-wired cable. I don't know the proper terminology, but I wanted to share that with you because I'm perfectly fine with people pointing out and saying, hey, maybe you're wrong. I'm totally happy to go and run additional tests if I am wrong or if I screw something up. So thank you all for pointing that out and asking for additional tests. Hope that cleared the air. Hope that gave you the results that you're looking for. Talk to y'all later. Bye.